In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable fast charging on your Android phone. Before we begin, make sure you are using a fast charging compatible adapter and cable, because even if the setting is enabled, it won't work properly without the right hardware. Now let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Inside the Battery menu, look for an option called Charging Settings or something similar depending on your device model. Tap on Charging Settings, and you should see an option for fast charging. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your phone will automatically use fast charging when connected to a supported charger. If you don't see the fast charging option in the battery section, don't worry. Just go back to Settings and use the search bar at the top. Type fast charging and open the relevant result. From there, enable the toggle switch if it appears. After enabling it, you're all set. Your phone should now charge faster whenever you plug it in using a compatible charger. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.